Pati langgam po. Okay, dito po kami ngayon sa Clever Kids School. Almost 6 o'clock in the evening at nag-overtime po kami para po buuin ang aming Christmas village. Ayan. It's dark pero tapos na po yung castle po namin doon. That's going to be our backdrop para po sa program namin. Ayan. So we are doing this para makapagpasaya kami sa ating community. Ayun po si Sir Rolly. Nag-overtime din na nagpapailaw sa amin. Ay! Nagpahagdan naman na. May pahagdan na. Parang kaya na rin eh. Sandali, be careful ay. Tot na daw siya. Ayan, So we're going to open our Paskuhan dito sa Clever Kids sa Friday po, 1st of December. So this is going day celebration of Christmas here at Clever Kids. Ito po, nag-overtime po kami para po magkaroon kami ng magandang decoration. So this is going to be our Candyland or gingerbread house. We will see. It's still a work in progress. We don't know yet kung anong kalalabasan ng aming ginagawa dito. But the idea is to have a lot of candies. Ayan. Dito na tayo matulog. Ayan.